Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Art. In this video I am giving you complete tutorial on Numpy in Python. Numpy is one of the most important and powerful library in Python, which is used in several domains like machine learning, data science, image processing, etc. Numpy is multi-dimensional array library. With the help of Numpy, you can use to store all sort of the data in one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array, and four-dimensional array, etc. Whenever beginner use NumPy, the question is rises in the mind, why do we use NumPy instead of list? So the main difference is speed. Lists are very slow compared to NumPy. NumPy is very fast. NumPy uses much less memory to store data and it provides a mechanism of specifying the data types. So in this video I will give you complete workthrough of several function NumPy and several properties of NumPy arrays. So let's start. Here I am using Jupyter Notebook to write the code. You can use other editor you prefer. Okay, so here import NumPy as np. If it didn't work, you have to install NumPy library. Just type pip install NumPy on command prompt, or you can just type here pip install NumPy and run the cell. Here you can see NumPy is already installed in our system. Here we start from basic things. First we show you how to initialize an array. A equals to np.array. Then within this we just pass the list 1 2 3 1 2 3. This is one dimensional array. Now here I am going to create 2D array. B equals to np.array. Here I am pass list within the list. We can create 2D array of float value like this. Now here we will check the dimensional of A and B. And dim. Now let's check the shape of array. Two means 2 rows and 3 columns. Let's check the data type. Integer. Float. Now let's check the total size of array. 12 and 14. We can create a three-dimensional array this way: list within a list within a list. Let's check the dimensional of C.